In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header section in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to your website list and click on the website you want to work on. From there, select Edit Website to open the Hostinger Website Builder. When the editor loads, look at the top section of your website preview. This is your header, and it's one of the most important parts of your site because it usually contains your logo, navigation menu, and other key elements visitors see first. Click directly on the header area and then choose Edit Header to open the customization settings. Inside the header settings, you can start adjusting the overall design. For example, you can change the layout to better match the style of your website. If you want a cleaner look, you might choose a simpler arrangement. If you need more branding or navigation options, you can select a layout that gives you more space. This is also where you can replace the logo with your own. Make sure your logo is clear and fits well within the header so it looks professional and balanced. You can also customize other parts of the header from this panel. Depending on your design, you may be able to adjust pacing, alignment, or other visual settings. As you make changes, keep an eye on how everything looks together. A good header should feel organized, easy to read, and consistent with the rest of your website. If you want to adjust the individual elements inside the header, you can do that as well. Click on Pages, and then use drag and drop to move the element you want to adjust. This allows you to reposition parts of the header so they appear exactly where you want them. It's a simple way to fine-tune the layout without needing any coding. As you work, try to keep the header neat and not too crowded. Since this section appears across your site, even small improvements can make a big difference in how polished your website feels. And that's it. That's how you customize the header section in Hostinger Website Builder. Once you're happy with the changes, review the header one more time to make sure everything is aligned and visually clear.